Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to start 2D drawing with geometric dimension and constraint. So we are going to start with the circle. You can see here the center there is circle that is of diameter 25. Another is 30 diameter, and if you see the distance between these circles, this is radius, that is billet is there. So this is 60 and this distance is 30, and you can see here this is 15. So we are going to start this again. So let's go to Onshape, create document. So I will say sketch say 4. Okay, you can go down create. It will open the graphical user interface of Onshape software. In that sketch, select the sketch plane. You can select any sketch plane. You will select front, make view normal to sketch plane. Now here we are going to start the sketch. So I will start here circle. This dimension is there. Before going to start, we will draw one construction lines so that it will be easy for us to mark the object. So delete it. Okay, so again I will mark one circle. So give the dimension to this. The dimension of this circle is the diameter is 25. This diameter is of 30, and distance between this and this, that is 60 plus 15, there is 75 mm distance is there. Now if you see here, now we have to draw the horizontal line. Okay, and vertical line, again the horizontal there is 30 mm distance, so 15 mm from this side and 15 mm on this side, and this distance is 65 and 25. So we'll mark here line. Let's make one horizontal line. So another horizontal line is like this. So distance between these two lines is, again we will draw one vertical line like this, another vertical line to find out the location of the center, and from this side also where is one another vertical line. So give the dimensions to this. From line this to this, the distance is 15 mm. From this to this, the distance is 15 mm. Again from this end to this end, the distance was 65. Okay, you can check here 65, and from this end to this end the distance was 25 mm. Okay, and if you see here, from this end to this end, what is distance? 215, and from this to this center 100. So we are going to mark from this to this, the distance is 215, and I will mark another line from this to this, and I will keep the distance of this line is 100. Okay, so trim the sessions. So this, there is no need of this, there is also not need of this, this is also not required, this is also not required, this is also not required, this is also not required. Now what I have did, I have find out the center for the to draw the circle. So let's see now what will be the radius. So you can see there phi is 24 and this phi is also 24. So we will mark phi 24 here. Circle of diameter. Here also there is circle. Give the dimensions. So its diameter is 24 and its diameter also 24. Now trim the unwanted edges. So you can trim it. So this portion is not there. This is also not there. This is also not there. So this is also not there. Another is, you can see this is not there. This is not there. This is also not there. Now next is what is remaining, the bottom circle, half semicircle and top semicircle. You have to connect with the fillet. So you can see here there is fillet of 15 radius, and distance between this bottom center circle semicircle to top center of semicircle is 110. So I will draw the line, the circle here, okay, and give the dimension from this center to this center. The distance is 110. Okay, next is we have to draw the fillet. So I will draw the line like this. Again I will draw the line like this. Again I will draw another line like this, and again I will draw another line like this. Now all these lines are tangent, so we are going to make, I'm going to make the tangent. This line is tangent to this circle. This line is also tangent to this circle. This line is tangent to this circle. So this line is tangent to this circle. Sorry, Control Z. Tangent to this circle. Tangent. This is tangent to this circle. Control Z. Okay. So we will give the dimension here. Its dimension is also 30. Now tangent. This edge is tangent to this. Again I will draw line like this, and it should be tangent to this. Now trim the unwanted portion. So we are going to trim it. So this is not required. This is not required. This is also not required. Again, this is not required. This is not required. This is also not required. So again, this bottom portion is not required. Okay. Here is also fillet. So we are going to do the providing the fillet. So fillet, select fillet from this to this. So what is the radius? Radius is, I think, 15 is there. From this to this, it's also 15 is there. From this edge to this edge, the radius is 25 mm, and from this edge to this edge, the radius is 60 mm. Control Z. Sorry, we have not done proper fillet. From this edge to this edge, enter. So the radius is 60. So you can see here, this is 60, this is 25. So remove. Then this is 25. This is 15 mm radius, and this is 30 diameter. This, and if you delete this dimension, you can provide a dimension to this edge also. Okay, so now we are going to do show constraints. So we have to delete some constraints. So this tangent constraint we will going to delete. so that it can get reduced. So yes, this tangent constant is also not required. So this, okay, the dimension, so this is not the tangent. Okay, now this whole diagram is the properly constrained, it is not showing any over constraint. So we are going to delete some of these points. So these are, this point is also not required, this point is also not required. Okay, so these are also points, these are not required. Okay, so this dot is construction line, so we cannot delete it. So in this then, so now this whole diagram is, I think, blue. This is only remaining, so we'll delete it. Something, okay, this dimension is okay. Now everything is okay. So we have completed this diagram. Okay, thank you.